Tired of digging through your wallet for your debit card at the ATM? Well, get ready to experience the future of banking because today, we're showing you how to use Apple Pay at a Chase ATM, making your life so much easier. Let's dive right in. First, locate a Chase ATM that has the contactless symbol. It looks like a sideways Wi-Fi symbol. Not all Chase ATMs are equipped with this feature yet, so keep an eye out. Next, wake up your iPhone then. Either double-click the side button to activate Apple Pay, or if you have Face ID enabled, glance at your phone. If you use Touch ID, simply rest your finger on the home button. You should see the Apple Pay animation appear on your screen, confirming that it's ready to use. Now, hold your iPhone near the contactless symbol on the ATM. You don't need to physically touch the machine. Just bring it close enough. Once the ATM recognizes your Apple Pay, the screen will prompt you to select your desired transaction. You can do pretty much anything you normally would with your physical card: withdrawals, deposits, balance inquiries, and more. For this example, let's choose withdrawal. Select the type of account you want to withdraw from, like checking or savings. Now, enter the amount you wish to withdraw. The ATM will process your request and dispense your cash, just like it normally would. Remember to take your receipt. And that's it. You've successfully used Apple Pay at a Chase ATM. It's secure, convenient, and saves you a hassle of rummaging for your card. Enjoy the streamlined banking experience.